Has a customer paid you twice, but for the one invoice? Then this video is for you. What we're going to run through is how to reconcile two transactions in your bank account to the one invoice. So starting on your dashboard screen, I'm going to jump on over to the Reconcile screen in my bank account. And what I'm going to do is go and have a look for my payments from this customer. So I can see I've got a payment from the 3rd of July, and I also have a payment on the 12th of July. Now, these two payments are from the same customer for the same invoice. However, for one reason or another, it was paid over two payments rather than in one instalment. So as you can see, Xero has not matched this to an invoice because the exact value does not match to an invoice. So instead, what we need to do is go on over to this match functionality and have a look for our invoice. So typically I would look for an invoice based on the value. However, in this instance, the value won't match because, as I say, it's two payments for one invoice. So instead, I need to look for the client's name. And then I know that this payment relates to invoice 24, which is this one. So if I click on this button, as you can see, it won't automatically match against it, and I've got no green button up here. And that is because, again, the value of the invoice is greater than the payment. So in this instance, what we need to do is click this split button and then allocate the difference of the value for the invoice. So in this instance, the payment is 1,200, and so that is the part payment we're making today. So click split, and then that goes green, and that now means we have now matched the invoice to a payment. And then we have the remaining invoice value to be allocated against a different payment. So then click OK, and then confirm. And now what we can do is again scroll on down to this payment, and we can click the match functionality and go through that process again. Alternatively, for ease, I just refresh my page. And I do that by just clicking on that and clicking enter. And then scroll on down, and now this invoice is saying it matches to this payment because the values match. And so I've got a nice green button, so I don't have to do that faffing around, and I can just click OK and confirm. And that's it. That is how you allocate two payments to the same invoice. Don't forget to let me know what sort of videos you would like to see next. All of your recommendations become videos, so do let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I'll see you at the next one.